Well, the holidays are here, and so is the holiday stress. Hi, I'm Dr. James Vitale, Doctor of Acupuncture from Suffolk County Acupuncture, and I'm here to talk to you about how to deal with the holiday stress. The holidays are a wonderful time of the year. It's supposed to be a time of joy and being with family, friends, and celebrate. Unfortunately, for many people, it also becomes a very stressful time of year. If you're struggling with fertility issues, it's even more so. So I'd like to give you a really easy, handy tip that you can use to manage all of this holiday stress. Stress is basically a response to the environment. Your body thinks it's being attacked and it goes into what's called fight or flight. We've all heard fight or flight. It's that caveman part of our brain that thinks that we're being attacked and we either get to run away or fight. This is called sympathetic mode. Your body's in sympathetic dominance. What happens when you're in sympathetic mode is your body fills with adrenaline and cortisol, and that creates tension and stress. And long-term exposure to this stress can create health problems down the road. So I'm going to give you a real easy way that you can flip that switch from the sympathetic fight or flight into rest and digest mode. And it's very, very easy. You can do it in 30 seconds to a minute, and you don't need any equipment. You don't need anything other than some space and some peace and quiet. And the secret to this flipping of the switch is right here in your brain, or actually more right here in your lungs. It's called breathing. Yes, we all breathe, but we have to breathe the right way. Most of us breathe very shallow up into the chest. When you see somebody stressed, you see them breathing here up in the chest. That type of breathing creates stress and anxiety here and creates headaches and many other problems. But if you were to take some time and breathe into your belly, long, deep breaths into your belly for about 30 seconds to a minute, you automatically flip the switch from sympathetic fight or flight into parasympathetic rest and digest. So why don't you try that with me now at home? All you have to do is put a hand on your belly, and I want you to make sure your hand moves, that you're moving your belly with your breath. So just try this at home. Take a long, deep breath in through the nose for about 5 seconds, and then you get to exhale from your mouth for about 5 seconds. So let's try that now. So long, deep breath in through your nose. Sure the belly hand moves, and 5 seconds out. Do that again. Inhale, 5 seconds. And exhale. And do it one more time. And exhale. If you've been doing this, you probably notice a shift. You should feel your whole nervous system go from here to here, because we just basically sedated our sympathetic fight or flight and switched your brain into the parasympathetic state. So during this holiday season, if you're feeling particularly stressed, all you need is 30 seconds to a minute of long, deep breaths into your belly, and you will feel so much better. Happy holidays from Suffolk County Acupuncture. This is Dr. James Vitale, and that was your health tip of the week.